Alright, cool. So, got stock exchange market opening very soon. In literally about a minute. Today, yesterday. So, yesterday's live, we saw price come up all the way here, and then literally it just wasn't going past this fair value gap. So price obviously came back down, and look, this was the real move. This is the move we should have caught. So it went past the first take profit and second take profit if we had taken the trade. However, we didn't today. Asian session came in, tried to get up near there. London session got up to there, and then now looks like we're getting another rejection from that fair value gap. I do expect price to come up somewhere here, because of this fair value gap. This gap still hasn't been filled, so yeah, we're still waiting for that. We just gotta wait and see. Currently, obviously we're looking for let's mark it out. Looking for these lows to get taken. Asian low. Okay, so we've got these and this one, and then let's see, we've got the high here which hasn't been taken out yet, so we'll just wait for that and see how that goes. Gold has created highs as well, so we expect price continuation. So we expect price continuation. Price is just, it's just crazy. Other than that, not much else. I expect price to come up here. Still got this high here that hasn't been filled yet. So price should come up somewhere here, or if not, then we expect another down. I don't think personally price will come down here now. This was just like, sort of news. It's not news, but it's a tweet that tanked the market all the way down. So I think price will come and take these highs and probably continue higher. Let's have a look and see how stocks are doing. Stocks, that's a bit crazy, isn't it? Not all of them, like Apple hasn't recovered from Friday yet. S&P looks like it's recovering. Bitcoin, where's Bitcoin at? Bitcoin, was this today? 7th, oh no. Yeah, that was from that day. Price is literally at the, I think we can start to see Bitcoin come down here, take out these highs here, so we can probably see price come as low as here. There is a high chance it can continue coming down further. We have seen that in previous bearish markets. Let's have a look here. But other than that, looks all good. Nasdaq is our main focus. We're looking to pass that challenge as well. What's gold doing? So I'm not watching it on this one. We expect gold to just still rise. I don't think there's any sort of signs telling us that gold is going to retrace, and plus yesterday was sort of retracing anyways. Where was that? Was this yesterday? Yeah, I mean, it's not really a retracement, is it? But something. So we got some rejection from that. Before it does make that move up, though, we are looking for these London lows to get taken out. Gold. Yeah, yesterday would have been a clean trade as well from where is it? From that fair value gap that we marked out. Price literally came there, and then look what it did. This whole move could have been caught all the way up here, which would have been, what would have been a risk to reward? Yeah, we'd be looking at 1 to 7, and you think £500, yeah, so $500 we'd be looking at. That's what we would get in one trade, risking 0.5%. So it is possible to do these challenges, you know, in 0.5%. So gold, let's have a look, because I mean, this is what I'm saying. There's like no data here that you can even go back on or anything like that. Like, you know, gold just looks like it's just gonna still tank higher and higher. I think gold will hit 5k very soon. Hopefully it breaks out of this. Yeah. Lovely. Okay, so you see some rejections from that area here again. Yesterday we were looking for gold entries, didn't manage to find any yesterday. So hopefully, if we can find some today, that will be good. And I don't think there's any news today as well. Yeah, no news today, so that should be okay. Gold should be breaking out of that now. Lovely. Rejections. Right, cool. Double tops, man, I hate them with a passion. Like, it's just crazy, isn't it? Okay. You're gonna see some pushes up. Gold's just gonna continue ripping, to be honest. Like, it's just bullish momentum every single time. Yeah, I mean, I think it's come out of this like area now, like, because there was a lot of like for the past, like, it's just all bullish, isn't it? Yeah, it's just mad. It's just literally all bullish. Get rid of this one. Rid of this one. Don't think price will be coming down here anytime. Get rid of this. Technically, we should. I might place my bias on gold. Just waiting for that little retracement. Alright, I've placed my buy positions. Oh shit. Okay. I knew that was gonna happen. I knew that it's just gonna go without it, but we're not gonna take a trade off that. Where do we actually see gold going there? Like, I actually don't know. Like, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna back test. You know what's crazy as well? Look at here, yeah. So look. So when I saved it on my bookmark, gold was at 1942. That's when I saved it on my thing, and then now gold's on 4,000, which is insane. It's just mental, crazy work. Anyways, let's have a look. I'm gonna back test Nasdaq. What was that at? Alright, 9th of September. I kind of want to go June. Yeah, I kind of want to go June and see what's happening now. There we go, so we're going back to June. already done all of these ones. Yo. Why is it doing that? Oh, on the 5 minute I can't go further back. Well, that's a bit sad, isn't it? Alright then. Looks like we're not going to backtest. Make sure everything's running. I don't know why it keeps coming up with like my first stream. It's not my first stream. We did that and then how do I change that? What does it actually come up? Sorry. Let's sort that out. Right, so we are currently in drawdown. Nasdaq. Oh, potentially we got a potential for London to get taken out. Now that it's made this high, what, and it's taken out. Where's London highs? London highs got taken out by New York session. Not much happened from it, but then now that it's made a high, I'm hoping that price will come down, take these highs, and then move further into this area. And we'll be looking to target. So this is a quite big area. I mean, it really depends. Like, I personally think that price will go higher than this. Oh my days. It's because I'm on the bloody 5 minute, that's why. So yeah, I'm hoping that price will come back and take these highs out before going up. Because then we could potentially look for a buy on Nasdaq. Yeah, there's just draws of liquidity here, so we want that to get taken out before actually going higher and taking out these highs. Because if it takes out London lows, that would kind of be a nice risk to reward. Oh, you can do take profit 1 here, take profit 2 here. We'll have to see. You know, I'm not really sure about this gold trade though, because price is just being funny right now. Where is it? Not sure if I need to re-enter. It's really difficult to tell. We just need to see big pushes up right now, because I do not want a retracement or anything like that. Come on, let's see these big pushes now. Oh, is it doing that thing again? I swear I was doing this yesterday as well. No. To be honest, we should have waited for this, you know, because we probably would have caught this trade. I think I jumped off stream like about an hour after, but really and truly, that would have been a juicy trade. But that's alright. Alright, yeah, I'm not too sure about this gold trade. I feel like it's just going to retrace, it's just going to surprise everyone and take out liquidity here before actually wanting to go out. But then price has been moving really slow though, like. If it takes these lows out, if it breaks these lows, price is going to come down. We should have got out of that, but it's okay. If price, and you know what? So looking at stocks, coming back here again. Alright, we're nearly going to get taken out of the trade, so very, very soon. Is price going to come and retrace again? I feel like price has been really like funny a bit. Like, it's, you know, we're seeing um, I think price will come down further low or not. See some volume in the market. Come on, we need to see pushes up now. Price does want to go higher. Just don't know when. We're going to see big moves or we're going to go back. See what I'm saying about price being funny? Like, Let's fly. Let's fly. Let's fly. Alright, cool. Yeah, we need flies. We need flies. We need price to just tank. Nasdaq. We're still waiting on that. Like, why is it stopping? Like, price just. Come on, man. Like, I need it to go without looking back. I'm holding my position. That's what I'm talking about. Now hold. Now just rip. Rip. See, so price will break out normally, and then like come back down again and shit. Like you just broken the high. Like continue. Let's get a move on, kind of, you know. But we'll see what price wants to do now. Let's go. Best believe this one I'm just gonna hold it because like every single time I've said I'm gonna hold it, I don't end up holding it. Let's see what this one doing. Ugly this is. Not what we want to see. And you think we're already like 30 minutes in and price has just been funny. Alright, let's continue. No looking back now. Bro, I swear, if price comes back now. I mean, on S&P, it's nearly taken out London lows. Whereas we're quite still a bit far away from Nasdaq, so we'll see what happens. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Very choppy here though. Not interested. See, again, just consolidating. It's just. I need a big candle. Bro, this is like sniper. Like, this is mental. Yeah, we need price to come like in these areas here. which I think will happen. And then from there on, I don't even care. Like, honestly, I'm just gonna hold it. Dailies, literally, if every single day. So from 1st of September, there's only been 8. There's only been 8 bearish candles. So every other day, if you just literally click buy, you'd probably be in profit. Like, just mental. And from April till August, till the 1st of September, when it broke out this area, long day. Long day. Right. Let's have a look. Fly away, fly away. That's what we need right now from gold. Okay, we really need these lows to get taken. I think it will as well, though. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Right, perfect. Let's have a look. Right, let's continue down. Alright, perfect. So S&P has taken London lows out. Now we need Nasdaq to continue and taking London lows out as well. And then we look for a reverse. I don't think it will take out Asian low. I think there should be enough momentum in the market for price to push higher if it wants to. But you can tell because yesterday's came here and it's broken down, then price literally from there tried to come back up again, came back down, pushed higher, and then came back down. So if we see these lows get taken out, we will be looking for buy positions. Can we just rip, man? I don't like all these wicks and stuff. Like, let's just have big bullish candles, clear out the zone. I mean, to be fair though, we nearly got taken out, which is mad, but I think price just needed some liquidity from here, the early buyers, and then, you know, to go higher. But let's have a look here. See, it's just like not good enough. This ain't good enough. We need big pushes. Alright, I reckon we should get up to these highs. Like, I don't think we'll come back down. Like, there's no news, there's nothing like that. So I reckon we should come back down. Yeah. It really depends how much volume's in the session, to be honest. Oh my days. Like, it's taken really a long time for it to even want. Like, I don't think it will. And if it does, I think it'll just continue going lower because it should just instantly come down and take out highs if it wants to. But the way this is just too choppy. Like, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's just, nah. And it was like that yesterday, and I'm pretty sure, like, on the stream I was saying that as well. I mean, hopefully price just continues going up. That is the case, and we've got our gold buys, and we're gonna hold it. If it doesn't take us out. Look, price came back again into that area. Yeah. I mean, price will come down here, I think, now. I mean, even that, it's not bad trade, but it's just not what I trade. Like, there's no way I'm gonna break my rules just to try and get a little trade in because I haven't traded it for a few days. Once I see what I see, I will place a trade. So I don't really care right now. I'm not really interested in what price is doing here. It's choppy anyways. Like, price coming down, up, down. This is what I'm interested in. Some gold buys. Currently we're up about 365. Let me see if I can get up here. About 380. Up about. With gold, it's just one of them ones. The longer you're in it, the better. Buys. I think price will come down somewhere here though before going back up, or it can just go up now if it wants to. I ain't gonna stop it. You need that shit to rip. But honestly though, I'm holding my shit. Mind that risk to reward. What is that risk to reward? Can you even see that? 1 to 62. That's jokes. Can you imagine this though? That will take time though. It'll have to be like, I think by the end of the year though, you never know though, gold could just retrace back heavily, but gold is always known to be like stable. It's never really like, you know, gone down massively, or, you know, it's gone up massively, which is what everyone wants, but it's always like stable, if that makes sense. So that's why, like, you know, even that's why this whole move here has been so powerful, because, you know, gold is only like an asset that goes up. So when, you know, when things happen in the world, and, you know, this asset is just gonna keep on ripping up, you know. Like, let me show you. I'm actually gonna show you on the charts. Yeah, what I'm looking for. On the Nasdaq or S&P. So either one of them. Let's have a look. So 9th of September. We'll go back to that. Was that S&P though? I think I traded the S&P then. Yeah, so it was the S&P. So we got London highs, London lows. So we mark both of them out before New York Stock Exchange market opens, like this, like how I've been doing it on the streams. Just mark out the highs and lows, and then look, New York Stock Exchange. Market opens. So then price ended up going up, I think. What did I take this trade for? Why did I take that trade? Oh, because it took the low, previous daily low. Yeah, it took out on the lows, eventually took out previous day low. Liquidity has been swept, and we see market structure shift from the sweep confirming a valid trade. Trade would be London high, big time frame highs, to profit 2 price bounce, A plus setup. So this is basically my A plus setup. You know, when I see that. And this actually is really good as well, because it gives you that confidence, like, to wait for what you're waiting for, rather than, you know, like just trading randomly. Like, you actually look for these specific things, and, you know, that is what's good. So same thing here. Let's have a look. So you got Tokyo, then you got London, made a high and a low, market opens, price came back down. So this time is when we trade. We look for this low to get swept. New York already took out all these highs here, these highs here. see price. Did it come back down? Didn't. Eventually swept the lows, but at this time I am not trading this, so uninterested. Didn't take out these highs anyways. What's gold doing? Let's have a look at gold. Oh, I can't even look because I'm on backtest. Okay, let's carry on. Let's actually find one. Okay, so this 11th September. Let's carry on. Did it sweep lows? No. New York. So New York has already swept these lows here, and it swept Tokyo lows. So from that is enough liquidity, and then we see price push up here. To be honest though, I reckon I would have taken this trade and target these highs. So what I would have done is, so New York opened, swept low, swept London low, Asian low, immediate, there's a reaction back to the top, then it's broken structure, and then retested it, then to go up again. I probably would have placed my trade I would have probably placed my trade here and put stops below here. Is there anything else here? No. Yeah, that's what I would have done. Let's have a look here. Next one. Alright, cool. So let's have a look here. So in here, New York's basically already taken the highs out. Then we see market, there's a rejection as well straight away, and the price comes back down. We're looking for these lows to get hit. Which it didn't, so in that case no trade. That's as simple as that. All we're waiting for is literally for liquidity to get swept, and that's it. Oh, sorry, here again, nothing here. Asian session. London. Alright, this looks nice, right? Because they're all near each other. And then New York as well is perfect. So New York hasn't even swept those highs yet. So let's have a look here. Let's see if it'll take those highs out. Alright, it looks like it hasn't. So I'm expecting this is perfect, right? So let's have a look and see what it does. This is the kind of, we want to see this like slow movement, but just all kind of near each other. These are Asian lows, and then the Asian highs already got swept by London session. So let's have a look what happens. So look, straight away Nasdaq opened, comes, sweeps London, probably, I reckon is, yeah, swept Asian as well. Now there's enough liquidity, and all we do now is literally look for a reverse. If price doesn't reverse, we're not trading. Is it coming for these lows as well? Okay, so you see price here. broke structure. So I would literally place, so broke structure here, I would place my buys here. Now look to target London highs, and then I'll put my stops below here, 1 to 4. Not ideal. So are we going to get taken out or not? Yeah, we got taken out. So that was a loss. That's fine. Gold's pushing up, so I'm seeing that on there. Alright, cool. So next one, we move on to the next. You're not going to win all of them, so it's fine. So look, New York Stock Exchange open, and then swept liquidity here, big wick down, no upward momentum, not looking for buys. Yeah, see, so we're not looking for this because we're looking for literally price to tap in here and then immediately bounce back off it. If it's like this, that's not a liquidity sweep. Like, this is very choppy as well. Your stop loss would literally just get triggered. How much profit are we floating by? 460 right now. Lovely. New York comes, sweeps London. Looking for London lows and Asian lows to get taken. See, like that, that's what we would trade. So immediately, so we go on the 1 minute, so price opens and comes, takes, sweeps London lows, and then we see price come out here and then break above this high. Risk to reward has to make sense as well. I'll put my lows before here. Is there no highs below here to target? Yeah, that is a long day. Let's see what price did though. Did price push higher? Yes, it did. This is the thing, we don't know where we're going to target it from here, so that is the only thing. So you see something similar to that, that's what we're looking for. Alright, let's go to the next one. Oh shit, I wasn't. Price comes here, takes London highs. Is it going to sweep these highs? Most likely. I mean, this high already got swept, so let's have a look. This one sweeps that, and price continues onwards. So we're not trading this, so we're looking for this candle here to continue coming down here. Once we see this candle, whichever candle comes here and break below this low, we place our stops here, and then we look to target London lows or previous day low. But yeah, that's basically what we're looking for with Nasdaq. And I've got a couple on here as well. So like, these are all the trades that I've like just back tested, and you know, every single time we've risked $500, and then on the A plus setups we risk 1,000. This is how I'm gonna do my challenge as well. So I'll go on here, take a screenshot, and then you know, you see it like that, and then we know exactly what we're looking at. I do put this on there as well, so we know what we're looking for. So look on here, New York came, closed that. What is that? No trading day. Oh yeah, so this was a loss, I think. Yeah, it was a loss. This trade, for example, look, price came down, opened, swept London low and Asian. Wait, did it? No, because that already got swept. What did I? New York. Oh yeah, this is the one I showed earlier. Cool. Let me find a good example though. There you go. So look again. Open price came back down, swept London lows, and then price came here. Retest, place our buys, stops below the low, and then we look to target the highs, and that's our trade. So if we don't see that, I haven't even looked at the market. I need to pattern up. Oh shit, no, we are here right now. Okay, so alright, what's gold doing? So retracement of gold. We need that push, man. We need that motherfucking push. We just retraced, so there's no way price is gonna come and retrace again. Like that's it's a bit funny, isn't it? So let's just go with the flow. Okay, so New York just came and taken these highs out. See, so I think there is a continuation on this, but see, I wouldn't trade this because look, price didn't come here to take London highs or Asian low. Sorry, Asian lows and London lows. I mean, we could have potentially taken a trade off the S&P, because that liquidity did get swept from London session. So that would have been a potential, but then again, I'm not too sure. I prefer trading Nasdaq, to be honest, but it really depends. Alright, so let me have a look here. What's going on here? That's literally what it is. It's just a patient game, isn't it? Do you think price will go and continue higher, hopefully? Yeah, so we're hoping that price will just continue going upwards and upwards. I want to cry. But yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, we've got our gold entry. Hopefully it stays like that. What are we up now? 250. We've got our stop loss at 241 as well. Is it going to break that low though? I saw price literally just came here as well. yeah, it's just gonna be back and forth anyways. But oh well. Anyways, that's the end of the stream. I'm gonna end here. We got our gold buys, which is good. We'll hope it's gonna be good. Yeah, so we'll just wait for that. I'll update you on how the trade is going tomorrow. Friday tomorrow. Is there any news tomorrow? No news tomorrow as well. I swear this week there's like barely been any news, which is a good thing, but which is mad. I mean, there was only one news. That's crazy. Only two. Was it two? Yeah. One red folder on USD. Crazy. One. Okay. Well. Anyways, yeah. So that's that. I'll update you on how this trade went tomorrow. So make sure you tune in as well. Make sure you check that out, and then yeah, we go from there. I think Nasdaq just continued, doesn't it? Yeah, it's just gonna continue, I guess. So yeah. Anyways, I'll see you lot on the next stream. Make sure you rewatch this on my channel as well. Let's have a look here. Yeah, make sure you rewatch it on here, and then yeah, we'll catch you lot tomorrow.